Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to center the content on your Instagram story like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to center the content in your Instagram story, I just going to show in this video. So for an example, I just choosing this content and just going to add to my story. So this is called content. So you just need to center it. You can see, just move it. You can see the blue line crossing on the center, and just move below. You can see now the line also crossing on the horizontal and also the vertical. So this is the center of the web page. If you are adding a sticker, so for an example, you just adding this and click done. You just need to make it on the center. You can just make it like this and you can just put it on the center. And if you just adding a more stickers like this, you can also make it to the straight line. You can see the line on the top, which makes you the perfect straight balancing line. If you just move like this, you can see the lines. This is the straight line which is the center of this page. It also shows the correct mark portion of the center portion of the story, so you can make it good. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.